I saw some rust upon
Another thing I do to get my teeth clean, I put baking soda in my mouth with no water, no nothing. Push the baking soda through my teeth, not through the whole tooth, but through the gaps in my tooth. That'll help clean the gaps in the tooth. And I can, your mouth is better for loud. And I can get a little.
Can I take just a minute of your time here?
What is it all about?
Huh? Do you mind if I sit down? Carrying quite a load here. You're the owner here, Mr. Lundegaard?
Nah, executive sales manager.
Well, you can help me. My name's Marge Gunderson.
My father-in-law, he's the owner.
And I always ain't start brushing my teeth.
Well,
till my gums sting.
Not Brainerd. Investigating for malfeasance. And I was just wondering.
That's how you get strong teeth. I still let you go.
Off the lot in the past couple of weeks. Specifically at Tancella Sierra. Mr. Lundegaard.
When I do it again, you get a whole box of this for $1. So I take it and just put it in my.
Home of Pop Onion, Babe the Blue Ox.
Babe the Blue Ox.
Push it through my teeth.
Yeah, we got that big statue up there.
And push it through my teeth. Take my thumb in.
You haven't had any bagels go missing then?
Nope, no ma'am.
Okie dokie, thanks a bunch. I'll let you get back to your paperwork then.
I'm cleaning it and throwing it on teeth. I'm brushing one thing. But I smoke black and mild and weed, so.
Yeah, give me a shot. Back to you, me.
And you'll feel your gums and
Where did it go? It's on.
It's a weird feeling.
I don't need a mechanic. I need
It's good for you.
Jeez. I gotta talk to a friend of his. So,
So when you brush them raw squirrel, like with no water or nothing, that baking soda will cut your gums up. But it's actually good for your gums and your teeth. To stimulate the gums. You can get disease from not stimulating your gums. And that baking soda get in there and get them between your teeth.
Mike?
Mark?
You'll feel your gums feeling like they cut a little bit, but trust me, it's worth it. Like if you was to put that peroxide in your mouth, after that it'll burn for a minute. When I do this, like with the dry baking soda, I don't use peroxide.
That's great.
And it only burn for like 5 or 10 minutes. But it make your teeth look beautiful.
It's organic, so it's pretty good. Yeah.
Get all in between and everything. So between flossing and pushing baking soda through your teeth,
You're living in
inside of your teeth should be pretty clean.
A couple of years.
Ones that are done.
It's actually it's very.
Take care of your teeth, man. You only get one. Or you get two. Like the first one will fall out when you're small. Your shit fall out when you grown, you finish. You done, you hit. Ain't nothing worse than seeing a motherfucker with missing them fucked up teeth.